Designed and built to handle the toughest jobs, the Corgi HD1400 Evolution represents the pinnacle of heavy-duty tyre changing technology. Delivering the highest levels of performance, reliability and safety, the Corgi HD1400 Evolution is the first choice for industry specialists in search of equipment designed for intensive use. The HD1400 Evolution is entirely automatic and is suitable for mounting tyres on all types of vehicles, including trucks, agricultural machinery, deforestation machinery and earth-moving machinery. With the ability to clamp wheels without central flanges of up to 13 inches without extensions and up to 58 inches with extensions, the HD1400 Evolution is perfect for workshops looking to increase their heavy-duty capability. The world's only tyre changer with a hydraulic motor for operating the turntable's gear motor, the HD1400 Evolution provides maximum torque at any speed. With 3 different speed settings, the HD1400 Evolution provides the operator with the ability to select the most suitable speed for the dimensions of the wheel on which they are working. In addition, the ultra slow setting is perfect for tyre grooving.